Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. John Kielec here. I am the admin from DailyNetPay and private trade shares. Also, DailyNetPay runs two very well-known, or they're getting to be very well-known, pool team builds for Cash FX and Modern Money team builds. This update is for DailyNetPay trading results for the week of October 14th until today, which is Friday, October 18th, 2019. As you can see, this week's profits is 3.08%. In Rwanda, we had 12 wins. We operate with two brokers. One is a Canadian broker right here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, which is practically my hometown. So we have 12 wins. We had one loss and two open trades. And FX Choice, this is where we trade Bitcoin in there as well. We had 5 wins, 3 losses, and 4 open trades. So total wins for the week was 17 and 4 losses, and we have 6 open trades. And as you read on this side, it was tough trading week with Bretix negotiations, which affected many Forex markets, and the unpredictable Bitcoin swings. Just lately, I cannot get into the Bitcoin. It's a lot of professional traders, it's up and down. And these two factors were the main cause of losing trades this week. We still came in profit, but we were a little bit under our weekly goal of 3.5%. So for the payouts, we're going to dip into our DNP reserve fund to make up that difference in payouts. And so let's go to the charts and see what kind of trading it was. Okay, these are the markets. You can see we have 8 markets now. I watch additional markets as well. We traded Euro Canadian or USD Canadian, and there was one trade over here, another trade over here. You can see this prices to go down. This is long, prices go up, and prices will go up. These trades were pretty good. You know, these were smaller trades, but, you know, they were very profitable. Okay, GBP USD, we had trades in here, and this was one of the losses in here. The market turned against us, and there was no more trades for this, even though, you know, I don't know what happened. There was a good strong signal in here, came in, but it was too late for me to get in. But it was a nice night. It would have been nice to catch this uptrend. But anyways, we got another uptrend where we came in profits this week. But anyways, this was a losing trade in here in GMP USD. Okay. Euro USD we didn't do. Euro AUD, Australian dollar. Okay, this was right there. It was a big dip, and this is what that Bretix with UK. It's up and down. It was tough. There was few days. Now tomorrow they're going to be doing voting. The European Union and UK. But no markets. Forex markets open during the weekend, but Monday morning it could be a different story. But anyways, we had another one for prices to go up. Even when we had a big dip, it just kept going down. So we had another loss in here. Then all the way down here, we took a little bit of profit from this one. And you can see we have 2 open trades in here. Okay, and this is one open trade in Rwanda, and another one is FX Choice. Okay, so, and next thing was the British pound and Japanese yen. All right, this was a nice, this is a nice trend. Okay, we got this trend, so that was good. Starting right here on Monday, we got a trend go up. Boom, we went up. Got stopped out over here. Then following morning, we got another place to buy or go long, and we went and we got stopped out over here and another one in here. So we had 3 times going for this trend, and this was what gave us most of the profits for this week. All right, British pound and New Zealand dollar. No, there was no trades in here, but we do have open trade in here. And this is a little bit of our money tied up in here because this open trade is over the weekend. So, and this is a British pound New Zealand. So you can see this is where we are. This is our stop loss and went up here, almost reached our stop loss, but the market started going down, and we're going for prices down. And I believe, Monday morning, whatever's going to happen with the UK and negotiations in there, I think it's the deal is through, but now it's Ireland and all kinds of other stuff. I'm not going to get into details about the news, but anyways, I think the market might go up a bit and then it's going to drop down and we're going to get into the profit. If not, if it goes the other way, well, we're going to have a loss in here and we're going to get stopped out. But this is one of the trades that it's over the open over the weekend. Okay, Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, like I say, a very unpredictable market, and 50% practically professional traders say it's going to go down. Well, actually, not 50. I think about 51 saying up, and the other 49 to go down. So when I look at all these stats and what others are saying out there, it's hard to predict the market. It swings. So you can see we have open 4 trades in here. Okay, this one, it's almost wasn't profit in here, a little bit below. We have 3 up there. And I am on the long side of a Bitcoin because, like I stated last week, it cannot go lower than like 8,000, and it did dip down to 7,900. But I think this is the lowest it's going to go. Some even say it might go to 7,500, but who knows? Not really know. We have these 4 trades. This is another reason our trades were less profitable is because we got money tied up in here. We have 4 of these trades and we have money tied up in here. It's not a loss, it's not a win, but they're being traded, so the money's locked in with into those trades. So hopefully next week it's going to go way above here. I'm hoping to get into this 200 EMA moving average, and even if it gets halfway there, or that's going to be pretty good. But if it breaks above this, then it's a good sign that the market is going bullish or going for prices up. But who knows? It's a tough market to trade, and I want to get these 4 out of the way. So there's thousands of dollars involved in here. So this is where our money's tied up right now. Okay, so that was it. And another one, New Zealand, Canadian, there was not. So these were the trades that were done during this week. And like I said, once again, this is where we have a total of 17 trades altogether, 4 losses, and 6 are still open. And that's it. So, 3.08%, our goal in DailyNetPay, if you go to DailyNetPay, if we have, our goal is 3.5%. Okay, about 0.5% daily. But anyways, we got a little bit behind. But another thing I'm going to be doing maybe over the weekend or maybe next week, we have a new function, 2 new functions in DailyNetPay. And you can see this is the main side of DailyNetPay. We put this offer out there because this is drawing attention like crazy. So, if something's working, why not promote it out there? And basically, it's, if anybody wants to know more about it, they click on how it works. And DailyNetPay pack number 1, you got details in there. Then you scroll down a bit more. You go to DNP pack number 2, and you keep going down. And this is the most profit powerful, the 3-in-1 complete passive business package. Okay, this is something new. This is the part of that pay you $500 no matter, you know, I guarantee you're gonna earn in here what we have. If you don't, I will pay you that $500 out. I'm putting my money where my mouth is when everything is. You know, after 25 years of successful networking and millions in payouts to members, I can make this promise. And, you know, and many of you are getting paid, you know, with a lot of money. But anyways, this is the offer. You can read about it. And this is a $330 offer. You get the special offer for $199.95. And what this business package includes 3 paid entries into our DailyNetPay private trade shares, okay? A return of $90 within 180 days, okay? This is half the time what our standard private trade shares are. So, you know, 3 paid entries at $60, you're going to get $90 within 180 days. You get 2 paid entries into our DNP Modern Money Team Pool Team Build shares. You also get 1 paid entry into our DNP Cash FX. 180 days of done-for-you marketing that will allow you to earn the $5 and $10 DNP referral commissions, okay? So this offer is right in there. And basically, how are you going to get into this? Well, once new prospects got to join DailyNetPay, and once they log in, okay, once they log in here, I'm going to take this out. Once they log into DailyNetPay members area, this is the GMK's members area, you see this DNP 3-in-1 system. It has been installed in there, and basically it got in here, and there's the payment system. So in order a member to go through to order this, they got to become part of DailyNetPay. And the reason it's set up that way, because, you know, if you're sponsoring, you're promoting DailyNetPay, the capture pages out there, you know, URLs and banner ads in here, and you're going to get credit. It may be eventually they're going to sign up into MMT, and they're going to go under you as well. So anyways, these 2 payments are Solid Trust Pay. They got credit cards in there, and coin payments, Bitcoin. Okay, so anyways, this is what it is. Next thing I want to tell you about is, okay, I mentioned that last week. Now when you log into your DailyNetPay members area, you see commissions. You click that commissions, you see 5 different boxes, okay? Before you only seen 3, I believe, or 2. No, not 3, before, I think, yeah, it was 4. Now you see actually 5. The date from, this is something to do with our trading, okay, connected with the brokers, how the trades go up and down, approx to be paid. This is amount that you can withdraw what in here. It depends if you have compound set or not. Total paid, total ROI, total active, and matured private trade shares, and total to be earned. All right, I'm going to be doing a special video explaining each step. Approx to be paid, total ROI, this and this, and how you're going to get. This is to total to be earned paid. This is what you're going to be getting paid as your matures. Well, this is GM's account, so this is what she's getting, and you also all the additional information you have in here. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to do a special video, step-by-step instructions. It's going to be done sometimes, maybe over the weekend, maybe next week, during next week. So you need to get to know. It's straightforward, you know. But we have quite a bit of matured private trade shares starting, like, even right now. A lot of them are going to be in November, December, January. Some are still compounding, some are taking. So you're going to see how many you have matured and how much you're still going to be earning and how much you got paid out. Paid out also, every time you compound, that's like payout, because every time you compound $20, okay, you have minimum of $20, that $20 will return you $30. So this will increase by $20, but this total ROI will increase by $30. Okay, that's how it's calculated. Then if you take this amount minus this amount, this is how much to be earned or paid. And later I'm going to explain more about mature private trade shares, and this number is always going to change. Well, every time you have mature, like if Mary had 2 mature right now, it would go 247, and over here would be 2. It still would equal 249 private trade shares, which would be the total ROI, but this number would change, and this number would change also. So I will explain that. It's straightforward. You don't really have to worry about it, but if you want to do your own calculations, you're going to be able to do that and follow that. If not, you just do this. Okay? So that's about it for this week. This is your DailyNetPay news site, your information center to learn about our entire cash earning opportunity, and everything is in here. All I want to say now is all DailyNetPay private trades, payouts, and compounds will be done through the entire weekend and should be done or will be done by Sunday evening. As well, DailyNetPay Modern Money Team Build for pooled share team build, and as well Cash FX pooled team build. The private emails that you get from me for those members who are in there, that's also going to be every Sunday late evening or Sunday afternoon sometimes. Usually evening, you're going to get that update as well. So I wish you a blessed and fun-filled, safe a weekend. John Kielec, and once again, thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of DailyNetPay.